everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I am going to be sharing the kits I have picked out for December. I'm just going to be running through them really quickly so you can see all of the fun spreads that I have planned for the month ahead. And also stay tuned because at the end of the video I am going to be giving away some bundles of kit leftovers that I have for destash, so just stay tuned for that. So first up, for the first week in December, which was also the week of Hanukkah, I originally had the Caress Press, the next kit that I'm going to show you, pulled out for that, but I wasn't super happy with it, and I did share that on my last kit lineup video, and so many people reached out to me with like such good ideas, and I'm so glad that I did. I'm so glad that I shared that, and everyone who commented, thank you so much. But I ended up getting this kit from JK Creates Co., and it's called Winter Blues, and she customized this kit for me. It was originally a silver foil kit. She did it in gold so that it would look a little bit more Hanukkah for me, and then did a custom quote box for me, which was so amazing, so nice. So it says Light the Menorah, and I'm going to be using this. I'm actually missing one page of the kit, and she just mailed that to me separately, so I'm just waiting on that before I film this plan with me. This week did already happen, but let me show you what I do have of the kit, so you can stay tuned for this plan with me. I just thought this was so cute, and I feel so good about it, with like the donuts and just like the New York City vibes. I don't know, I'm just really happy with this, and the colors. I think this is much more Hanukkah-esque than what I had originally planned, and I do have some Hanukkah stickers that I'll be bringing in to make this really special. So that is the full boxes, and then we also have this functional layering page, the deco and the sidebar and date cover page, and here is the bottom washi page, which she does have split and foiled bottom washi, and then I'm actually missing the functional page, which is an unfoiled page, and it's got all the boxes and stuff. I will try and stick a picture on it, but you will also can see when I get to the plan with me what that actually looks like, because I will have that by the time that I film this. So anyway, and then she did include, I ordered one of the floral add-ons that she actually threw in two. Super cute, so sweet of her. I'm so glad that I got this kit. This is my first time shopping from her, but I will definitely be shopping from her again. It's a really nice premium matte paper, and yeah, I'm really excited for that. So that will actually be my next plan with me that goes up, which I haven't even filmed yet. So anyway, there's a lot of videos coming your way in the meantime. But anyway, next up after that, I have this kit from Caress Press called Holiday Mail, and this is what I originally planned to go on Hanukkah, just because I thought it was really cute, and there it does have a Hanukkah box kind of add-on, but I was never super happy with it. So anyway, that's why I got the other one. I still really love this kit, and I'm definitely going to use it. I'm just going to use it for the week after, which is the week of December 6th, and I have to turn the pages in my planner, otherwise I'll never know. Anyway, this is a Caress Press Essentials size kit. I did show this in the last one. I've already hauled this. You know the drill, but I will just flip through the pages here really quickly. I still think this is super cute, and I'm excited to use this. I just wanted something a little bit more Hanukkah-y for the week of Hanukkah, and I will still be using the Hanukkah box. And actually the one day this week was it? No, I don't think the any days of this week were actually in Hanukkah. It was the week before. But anyway, I will still use the Hanukkah box because gotta represent. Okay, then after that, for the week after that, I have this kit from the Giving Girl called Frost. I love this. I think it's so pretty, and it's got like this little present and the snow girl with the braid, the gifts on the cards. I just thought this was so adorable, so I absolutely love this. My first time ordering from the Giving Girl, and I'm so happy with this. I think this was in my last haul. You have your date covers, your split washi, some single bow headers here, and some more functional stuff at the bottom. Then this absolutely gorgeous functional page, which I super love. You got some scallops, some squares, all different size shapes, and I love like the little dainty foil on this. I'm going to be using tons and tons of silver foil when I use this kit. And then also this whole layering page with a lot of her like super unique elements and some stuff for the sidebar, and then those headers, which are so gorgeous with that blue floral. So I absolutely love this, and it also did come with this is called the doily boxes, so some sort of layering boxes there, and it came with that as a freebie. So that is my kit from the Giving Girl for the week of the 13th through the 19th. Next up, we are on to Christmas week, and I have already shared this as well, so I'll just run by this super quickly. But I have this kit called Christmas in the City from Miss and Meow. I think this is so stunning, so gorgeous. Another Bag of the Head girl, which if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know is one of my favorite things. And and I just absolutely love this. I think it's so, so gorgeous, so I can't wait to use this. It's very bold colors, super gorgeous. I feel like I've said that 37 times. It's really just amazing. It's very unique, and I just love like the super rich saturated colors. Her print quality is so amazing, and I have the floral add-on sheet for that as well. And then last up is actually the last week of the year, which is in both of my inserts. So I am having a little bit of a mental dilemma with what to do with that because this is in both of my sets of inserts. So usually I would plan this in next year's planner, but I may do it in here. I may do it in both. We'll see. The main kit that I'm going to be using for New Year's is actually this kit from Two Little Bees, which I just got in the mail today, and it's called Goals. And I don't have a specific New Year's kit this year. I just didn't like any of the art. It all felt too fancy for my life. I need the at-home New Year's vibes. So I thought this was so perfect for New Year's week because it's called Goals, and it says set your goals, make your plans, chase your dreams. I don't think it's any secret on this channel right now that I have been really, really into the goal setting lately and into that whole vibe. So I thought this was the perfect week to start the new year. If I do end up doing 2 spreads, I'm going to use this one in my new inserts, and I'll pick something else for in this inserts, but we'll just have to see how I feel after the week and how I feel back to school week, if I'm feeling like doing 2 spreads or not. So we'll see. I just don't like the idea of leaving a blank page in here. I could always like glue it or just take it out, but yeah, anyway, that is the full boxes, and this has had a little bit of a facelift since the last time I've used a Two Little Bees kit. Not like a full overall or anything, but there is like some adjustments to the format, including like this really pretty deco at the bottom with a little bit of foil on it, and these like more swatchy shapes that I also really, really like. And then here is your functional page. This page is not foiled. The other 3 pages in the kit are foiled. Here is your bottom washi, your like kind of extra box that's like such a cute journaling box, your date covers, and then this is the functional add-on page, which I love this page so much. It comes with an assortment of like mini deco, some date cover toppers, a bunch of different fancy labels, other layering items, etc. And I love this add-on sheet. I think it's super, super useful. And then on top of that, I actually did pick up one of her new add-on sheets as well. This is the journaling page 1. She has a 2-page journaling kit that matches some of the kits now, and I just picked up 1 page of it. You can buy them separately, which is amazing. The other page had like kind of the bigger corner stickers and stuff like that, and bigger pieces of deco. So I do really like that, but I didn't feel like I needed it for this spread. So this, you get a little bit more of the bottom washi and a bunch of like different swatches and layering pieces and a little bit more deco. And I just thought that would be really fun to have and play with. So I did pick that up as well, and I could pick this up on the Black Friday sale, so I got a little bit of a discount. So yeah, that is going to be my kit for the week of the 27th, the last week, and that will either be in here or in my other inserts. We will have to see what I end up doing, but that is actually everything. Those are all of my kits for December. I just wanted to run through them really, really quick. Okay, so on to the destash giveaway. So I have 3 envelopes stuffed full of stickers right here. These are how big they are compared to like a regular kit thing, and they are just full of stickers. And if you don't know, they're full of leftover stickers. So every time that I use a kit, I save all of the leftover stickers. I just don't even take them off the sheet or anything like that. I just leave them right where they are and just save them. Some of these sheets are like pretty empty. Like this one only has like 3 stickers left on it, but some of them are pretty full. Like this has I don't know, 5 full boxes or 6 full boxes left on it. So it just depends. I will keep all of the pages from a kit together, but it's just random assortment of stuff. I have a huge pile of them, and I would love to gift them on to someone who is going to use them. So if you are a person that likes kit leftovers, just leave a comment down below letting me know that you are interested in them. And I have 3 packages of kit leftovers that I'm going to give away. There's also some like random foil stuff in there. Anytime, some random shop sampler stuff like that. Anytime I get a set of stickers that comes with an order that I think I'm not going to use, instead of putting it away with my collection, I just put it in my kit leftover destash pile so that it goes into these envelopes when I do give them away. So if you are interested in winning a destash bundle or in taking home one of these destash bundles, just let me know in the comments down below, and also be a subscriber here on my YouTube channel and a follower on my Instagram channel, and that's all you have to do to enter, and I will pick 3 winners randomly. This giveaway will be open for 1 week. The full how to, everything, all the information will be posted in the description down below. But that is it in order to win the destash. If you are interested in winning my big giveaway, that is actually still going on right now. That's posted on my Cozy Favorites and giveaway video. So I will link that in the description down below as well. And there's still a chance to enter that before that giveaway closes, and that giveaway has like a bunch of new stickers and some self-care items and some stuff that I crafted myself that you can also win. So definitely check that out if you haven't already. But otherwise, that is it for this video. So don't forget, if you want some kit leftovers, let me know in the comments down below and I will be happy to gift those on along. But otherwise, please like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans, and stay tuned for more super fun stuff coming in my planner. Bye.